If you need to resize the canvas in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to change your document size, switch between preset page formats, and make your workspace fit the exact layout you need. This is super helpful if you're building diagrams, flowcharts, wireframes, or presentations, and you want your canvas to match your content more cleanly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Lucidchart document. Once you're inside the file, look to the top left corner and click the More menu. From there, go to File, then Settings, and then Open Document Settings. If you prefer, you can also right-click on any blank area of the canvas and choose Document Settings from the menu. Either way gets you to the same place, so use whichever feels easier for you. Once the Document Settings panel opens, look for the option labeled Infinite Canvas. If your goal is to control the page size and make Lucidchart behave more like a fixed document, turn Infinite Canvas off. This is an important step because when Infinite Canvas is enabled, the workspace keeps expanding as you add more content, which is great for some diagrams but not ideal if you want a specific page size. Now scroll down to the Canvas and Page section. Here, you'll see a size drop-down. Click that drop-down and you'll get a list of preset sizes. You can choose common formats like letter, A4, A3, or other standard page sizes depending on what you need. If you're making something for printing, exporting, or sharing in a formal layout, using one of these presets is usually the easiest option. If none of the preset sizes fit your project, select Custom. This gives you the flexibility to enter your own width and height values, which is perfect when you need a very specific canvas dimension. For example, you might want a narrow board for a process map, a large workspace for a detailed system diagram, or a custom layout for a client presentation. Just type in the measurements you want, and Lucidchart will update the canvas to match. After that, check the Format option if it appears in your settings. This lets you switch between portrait and landscape views. Portrait is better for taller documents, while landscape works better for wider diagrams and horizontal layouts. Choosing the right orientation helps your content fit naturally on the page and can make your diagram much easier to read. Once you've made your changes, review the canvas to make sure it looks right. If the page now feels too small or too large, you can always go back into document settings and adjust the size again. That's one of the nice things about Lucidchart. You can refine the layout until it matches your workflow exactly. So just to recap, open document settings, turn off infinite canvas if needed, choose your page size under canvas and page, and switch the orientation if necessary. That's the full process for resizing the canvas in Lucidchart. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.